Hey everyone, I have another one for you. This time, my boy let me do a little review on his Audi RS3 all-wheel drive quattro. This car looks like a sleeper, but is way more than what it appears. This is a limited model that you don't see many of. This 2019 racer has a 2.5 liter engine that which stock produces 394 horsepower with 354 foot-pounds of torque. This one is APR tuned to 500 horsepower with 480 foot-pounds of torque. This changes the stock quarter mile time from 12.2 seconds to about 10 seconds on the track. Just look at how sexy this model is with all the bells and whistles that allow you to change its launch capabilities, making it more aggressive to flipping a switch to an everyday driver. If style and speed is what you are looking for in a compact package, this is your car. Enjoy and marvel in its beauty.